Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello people, and I've got some news for you concerning the invasion that happened on the 13th of April 2024, where we have some group of people that call themselves Yoruba Nation agitators that were proclaiming that they want to have a Yoruba Nation. They invaded the Oyo State secretariat on the 13th of April, and luckily for us, we have some security personnel on guard, and where the 3 of them were said to have been killed, and 20 suspects were arrested, according to the spokesman of Nigeria Police Force in Oyo State here, Ibadan. Now to the news of who is the person behind this motive. Who is the person that sponsored this group of people? Now, I have some news for you concerning that. Okay. Late MKO Abiola wife declared the secession from Nigeria. A self-proclaimed president of Yoruba Nation, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri Abiola, has declared the secession from Nigeria. It was reported that Modupe is one of the wives of the late MKO Abiola. It should be recalled that members of the Ominira Yoruba group, led by Mrs. Modupe Onitiri Abiola, had allegedly invaded the Oyo State government house on Saturday, and the agitators had invaded the secretariat and taken over some parts of the area. At least 3 of the agitators were reportedly killed by the security operatives during the incident, and the Oyo State Police spokesman, SP Adewale Osifeso, also confirmed the arrest of 20 suspects in a statement issued in Ibadan. That's the news about that. So for you, for those people that doesn't know who are these people who sponsor them, so that is it. It's one of the wives of the late MKO Abiola, and I hope you remember who late MKO Abiola was. Now I have some gist for you again. The update now is that since it has been discovered that it is one of the late MKO Abiola wives that said this in the house where she made the pronouncement. There was a video, you see it on your screen, where we have the CEO of Agidigbo FM. Yes, that's in person of Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat. Yes, he went to the house, and we can confirm to you that the house has been demolished as it present now. The house must have been demolished, so I just need to give you information about that. So we want to give you all you need to know about this information. So keep in touch, keep it locked to this channel as we give you the updates as it unfolds. So I hope you find this very, very informative for you. Okay, so that's that for that today. Bye.